Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of delicious chicken patties. Heat oil in a pan, add 1 sliced onion and mix it on medium flame. Since I added salt while boiling the chicken, I added 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the onions. You can add salt as per your taste. Mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix. Stir till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away. Add little chopped tomato, chopped capsicum and chopped green chili. Mix. Add 1 cup of boiled chicken shredded. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, 1/4 teaspoon of chili paste and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce and stir. Add half teaspoon of chili flakes and mix. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano and mix. Switch off the flame and keep aside. I am using ready-made puff pastry sheets to make the patties. To prepare the egg wash, in a bowl add 1 egg and a pinch of salt and beat it. Put the chicken filling on the puff pastry sheet. Apply egg wash on all the four sides. Fold it into a triangle. Press the sides to seal. Prick the edges using a fork. Apply egg wash. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Follow the same steps to make the rest of the chicken patties. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Delicious chicken patties is now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.